You open your eyes, and your ears are still ringing. The last thing you remember is the seatbelt sign flickering on. Then, nothing. You sit up. The plane is gone. The other passengers are gone. It's just you, a wall of green in every direction, and a jungle that has gone completely silent. This is the Amazon. Millions of square miles of trees, rivers, and things with teeth. And right now, nobody on Earth knows where you are. Welcome to the most important 7 days of your life. And here's the scary part. The single most common mistake survivors make, you'd probably make in the next 5 minutes. So let's make sure you live. Every instinct is screaming the same thing. Find people, find a road, just go. And that instinct is exactly what gets people killed. The moment you wander off with no plan, you burn energy you can't replace. You sweat out water you don't have. And believe it or not, you start walking in circles. Without a landmark, humans always do. So rule number 1, stop. Sit down, breathe. For the next 60 seconds, your only job is to calm down. Panic is the real predator out here, and it hunts faster than anything in these trees. Once you're calm, check yourself from head to toe. Adrenaline can hide a serious injury for hours, and that twisted wreckage behind you? Don't walk away from it. I know it feels wrong to stay, but from the air, a crash site is 1,000 times easier to spot than one person under the canopy. Be honest with me. Would you have run? Tell me in the comments, because I think most of us would. So what do you do first? Find water? Find food? Actually, no. Memorize this, the rule of threes. You can survive 3 minutes without air, 3 hours without shelter, 3 days without water, and 3 weeks without food. Look at that order. Food, the thing you're worried about, is dead last. The thing that can kill you tonight is exposure. Because when the sun drops, the temperature falls, the rain comes, and everything with teeth wakes up. So while you still have light, build a shelter. Lean branches against a fallen log to make a frame, then pile on leaves and ferns until it's thick. And get yourself up off the ground. The cold earth steals your body heat all night, and it's a highway for insects. It doesn't need to be pretty, it just needs to keep you alive. If you can manage one more thing before dark, make it fire. No lighter? It doesn't matter, because fire is worth every drop of effort. One flame does 5 jobs at once. It keeps you warm. It boils your water clean. It signals rescuers. It holds animals back. And it does something for your mind. When you're alone in the dark, a fire is company. It's proof you can still control something. The people who survive out here aren't always the strongest. They're the ones who refuse to give up. Day 2. You wake up desperately thirsty, and there it is, a beautiful, clear river. You lean down, cup your hands, and stop. That clear water is crawling with parasites that cause vomiting and diarrhea, and out here, that dries you out faster than drinking nothing at all. So purify it. Boil it for 1 full minute. Catch rainwater. Or tie a clear bag around a leafy branch and let the plant sweat out clean water in the sun. Only now, when it's safe, do you finally drink. But here's what most people forget. You can do everything right and still be stuck for weeks if nobody knows where to look. So every single day, you make yourself impossible to miss. The universal signal for help is 3 of anything. 3 fires in a triangle. 3 sounds. 3 giant shapes stamped into a clearing. Rescuers recognize it instantly. And if you hear a plane, a small mirror flashing sunlight can be seen from miles away. You're not hiding in this jungle, you're shouting across it. Now, finally, food. Remember the rule of threes. You've got weeks, so never risk your life over a snack. Those bright, colorful berries? In the wild, bright colors usually scream poison. Your safest bet is the one nobody likes, insects. Grubs and crickets are packed with the protein you desperately need. It's not 5-star dining, but survival was never about taste. Day 7. You're exhausted, you're starving, and you are not the same person who woke up in that wreckage. And then you hear it. Faint at first, then unmistakable. A helicopter. You throw green leaves on your fire for thick white smoke. You wave everything you've got, and they see you. You made it. And notice how. Not by being the toughest, but by staying calm, staying put, building shelter, purifying your water, and never losing hope. That is the bright side of even the scariest situation. With the right knowledge, ordinary people survive extraordinary things. So tell me, how many days would you have lasted? Drop it in the comments and subscribe because next time it's going to be a lot colder.